Most people believe data analysts spend all day doing something incredibly complicated that only tech experts can understand. But what if I told you you've actually every single day of your life without even realizing it? Whether you're making financial decisions, planning your journey through Lagos traffic, shopping in a supermarket, or even deciding who texts in a relationship, you're already thinking exactly like a data analyst. Think about your mom for a second. She remembers exactly how many times you went out this week and how often you came home late. She isn't just remembering events, she's recognizing patterns over time. When you compare two products, you're not just looking at the price, you're comparing value, quantity, quality, and deciding which option gives you the best return for your money. Before leaving home, you check Google Maps, compare two different routes, estimate travel time, and decide which road will get you there faster. That's predictive analytics in real life. You remember that this restaurant was completely full last Friday evening, so you decide to arrive much earlier this week because you expect the same thing to happen again.
Data analysis isn't really about tools. The real skill is asking better questions and making smart decisions. Today, professional data analysts get paid to do it.
Feel free to connect with us.